Hello everybody, this is a Lamley unboxing. US 2593 means US N case. I believe I did the international case from A&J Toys. Mattel sent me this US N case, which we're going to open right now. I believe these are just starting to hit some stores. I think I've already done this when I've posted this video, right? The P case with the Target red editions in it. I don't know if I've already posted the M case. I'm just going through whatever Mattel sent. So now we have an N case, and then I've still got this little mysterious case right over here, this little 36 count case. We're going to open that up too. That'll be its own video. All right. The key is to just cut them open and see what is inside. That's the fun of these unboxing videos. So let's get right to it and see what this case has. Now, we liked the N case. At least I liked what I saw last time. You've got the, what is it, the Bugatti in there. You've got the Land Cruiser. So let's just see if it's a lot of the same in this N case. What are we looking for? That purple truck, right? Could be a Super. I'm guessing it probably isn't. I'm already cheating here. But anyway, let's just get to it. 52 Chevy. This one, now that I just did the P case unboxing, I know that that's in there. So this is new to this case. Eruption and the AMC Rebel Machine. Turbo Shell, Justice League Batmobile in black, and then there's the X-Jet, which is new to this case as well. I'm a little better educated. I already can tell that this is the ID, right? Because it's already gold, because the model is yellow. See, there you go. That's my second one of those. I found one in the international case as well, so that's kind of cool. Maybe I'll trade one of these for that Porsche Taycan, which I really want. Subaru Impreza 22B STI version, and there's the aisle driver. What is the regular treasure hunt in this case? You guys want to let me know? I don't think I pulled it in the last one, right? That is not the super treasure hunt. Audi is not the super treasure hunt. That would have been in the last one. This 49 Ford would be in this one if it had real riders, and there's the 67 Camaro. Since we've already done this unboxing, let's just blow through it as fast as we can and see what other interesting things we find. Honda Civic Type R, Eric Stein rod, love that one, and the Tricera truck. Turtle Shell in chrome, fantastic Olds 442 in Gulf colors, and there's the Dodge Rampage. Love this Mercedes recolor. It was funny because when I did the P case, you have this Mercedes recolor plus the Audi recolor, which is also in a similar color, plus the McLaren, which is in a similar color, but I don't know why I'm talking about that, because we're talking about the N case, not the P case. There's the R8 Spider again, and there's that fantastic 94 Bugatti EB110 SS, one of my faves for the year. Honda Civic again. There is the Ford Mustang GT Formula Drift and the 52 Chevy again in gray. Fusion Busta, Mazda MX-5 Miata in gray. Love that. 70s van. Forward Force, there's that Subaru again, and then there's the other star of the case. Got the Bugatti, and we have this one, the Toyota Land Cruiser 80. So good in gray, but I've already talked about it. I've already opened it. Another Highlight Silvia, Nissan Leaf RC02, and there is the Ford Mustang again. And to finish off the first 36, recolor of the 67, Ford Raptor, and the Ain't Fair recolor, orange instead of green. First 36 in the book, second 36, let's get to it. We all want a Cybertruck. I do. There it is, along with the recolor of the Toyota Celica and the Aston Martin. You guys tell me, have I found the regular yet? Is it in here? I can't tell. Robo Race Celica again, and the Ford Bronco recolor in orange. Ducati Scrambler, Fusion Busta, Mad Splash. Looks like we have another X-Men plane here, and we do, right there, plus the Rocket Oil Special and the Devencinator. It's all about finding that Bugatti. All about that Bugatti. Not necessarily about that Grand Cross, and not necessarily about that Rally Baja Crawler. But I'm just speaking my own opinions, right? There's the GT Scorcher, that's cool. There's the Buick Regal GNX, that is cool. And there's the Nissan R390 GT1. That is cool. Camaro, Silvia, AMC Rebel Machine, Praying Menace, Another orange bus, and there's that fantastic Porsche 914 Safari in white. Gotta have another Land Cruiser, and you do. There's another red Nissan. There's a big bat plane. It just crunches all the other cars. Impala, Ford Bronco. Love the Lamborghini. Love the Lamborghini. That was from the case before, right? And if you love it, there's another one. There's an Audi. Not an Audi, an Aston. And a Forward Force. And we finish this off with a See Me Rollin', a Devencinator, and a La Troca. Done. I think that'll do it for the end case, right? Unless something is sent to us by A&J Toys from, I think we already had the International, so I think we're good on the end case, hitting just now. So start looking for it. And we did the P. That means Q is all we get to do, and then we're done with 2021, and we can start doing the Lamley Awards. So we got to see that case, which I'll see soon. Now let's figure out what that little 36 count case is. That'll be another video too. Thanks, everybody. Bye.